How to get Discord Nitro for free. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to get Discord Nitro for free. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can go to discord.com and you get right here. Discord is our favorite platform where we can create different servers and we can chat with our friends, create communities, and much more. On Discord, there is a Discord Nitro that actually gives us more options and features where we can actually upload up to 500 MB of files, and then it has HD video streaming available. We have custom emojis and many other features. So how to get Discord Nitro? A Nitro is actually $9.99 per month, and recently Discord also gave us Nitro Basic, which is going to be $2.99 per month. So these are the plans and we can subscribe to them really easily. But if you're looking for a way to actually get Nitro for free, then there are some tricks that you can use. First of all, we can get 1 month of Nitro free if you download the Discord app. So if you do not have used a Discord app yet, you have Discord account but you haven't downloaded the app. Once you download it and you have not used Nitro before, you will be getting 1 month free. So this is, a lot of people don't know about this. You can go ahead and check it out. You will be getting 1 month free. Another way to get Nitro for free is by Discord. So Discord actually gives us these offers time to time, and what happens is they actually do giveaways, especially when there is an event or any anniversary or there's something happening. So keep track of Discord Nitro from this option right here. You can also follow the Discord community so that you can actually check out whenever they are giving free Nitro. So this is another way we can get Nitro for free. Then you can follow some of the servers and some of the different communities. They offer Discord Nitro. For example, they're like, you can follow our Discord, or you can actually, if it's NFT community, they're like, buy these NFTs or mint these NFTs and we will be giving a free Nitro. So you can actually get a Nitro that way from giveaways. Other than that, you can buy the Discord Nitro as well. And with the basic plan, I think it has become more easier for us to get Nitro in just $2.99, and it also gives us some of the major features. So you can go ahead and check out Nitro on Discord right now and use some of the tricks that I showed you to just kind of like see if you will be getting 1 month free on Discord Nitro. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.